This is a Laika Eco VIP 645. It's quite a substantial camper van, this one. It's 4,250 kilograms, so it wants a C1 license to be able to drive it, and it's 180 horsepower, which is a bit more powerful than they normally are. 6.36 meters long, and it sleeps 4 and it travels with 4. But yeah, it's a big motorhome, this one, or a big camper van I should say, that's supposed to be precise. We've got power in over here, we've got a cassette for the toilet in behind that one. It's nice chunky wheels and tyres on this as well actually. And we can come right on round, and it's the usual stuff. We've got the rear doors here, there's a reversing camera tucked away under the brake light there, and if we come right on round, we've got the water filler on this side and the awning on this one, and also, as you've probably noticed already, it's got the pop top. Well, that's quite a fetching vehicle in that colour, isn't it? Let's go and have a look inside. So there's a little button that will drive the step out, like so, and in we go. So what you've got basically, you've got like a small dining area or lounge area here. So you've got the seats and the table. This table will fold out, or you can remove it completely, so that just pivots across like that to make that larger. If we come right up to the front, automatic transmission on this one, which is great. And then it's the usual Fiat dashboard, and you've got the pinch blinds that come out of here for these windows, and also of course the side windows, same kind of deal. Nice upholstery colour on this one as well. They're all covered up at the minute because it's brand spanking new, but you can see what I mean about the colour. That is excellent. If we come around over this side then, heating controls are here, also the control panel for the vehicle. So this is giving us things like the water tank, the battery status for the engine battery and for the leisure battery. Also we can switch the water system on and off from here, and the lighting on and off from here as well. Kitchen then is on this side. There is actually a little extending section here, so you can, he says, oh there we go, extend that out a little bit like so, and then gas hob sink underneath there, and they put a chopping board on there as well, which is quite useful, so you can turn that over and use that if you wish. Sat on there, these are, oh hello, fantastic. These are drawers down underneath here, so your cutlery drawer is there of course, and bigger drawers underneath. And then if we press on back a bit further, fridge we'll find on this side, decent size. But look at this nice lounge area back here, isn't that nice? Now that of course will convert to sleeping, but it does mean when you've got it in this configuration, it's a very comfortable sociable area. Normally these just have the bench seats on either side. This one they've taken it across the back as well, and that I think works rather well. This up here is all storage all the way around, as you'd expect, like so. You've got these neat little reading lights about the place like this, and in fact they've got USBs underneath them as well, just there, which is very helpful. So they're dotted all the way around in the corners. TV in here as well, like so. It's on a little bracket that allows that to come out a little bit, and then we've got the mirror, and then we've got the toilet. Now what they've done with this, you've got the loo here, obviously you've got the sink, and you've got a shower that pulls out from here. But what's quite clever is they've incorporated a swing wall, so that one there goes back like that, and then we can swing that one across, and now you've got a very nice shower area. There we go. Little bit of strobing showing there. It's not actually happening in real life, that's just a GoPro messing about. This is nice, little rail in here so you can hang your coats and bits and pieces to drip dry in there if you come out from a wet walk on a British summer's day. Now the other thing we've got on here of course is that pop top, so let me just take you around and show you that. There is of course a ladder that goes into here. In fact I'll show you where that is in a minute, but that is a rather nice double bed up on the top. There we go, and the ladder goes into here. You've got power sockets up here as well, like this, and light switch is up there also. And what's neat is they've actually put a skylight in the top of it as well. You don't see that very often. So even when this is down, you've still got the light coming through. They don't normally get that. That's excellent. I'm going to show you around the back again, because back here is where we find a bit of storage. And the other thing that's in here is gas bottles. They live in there. There we go. And I was half expecting to find a ladder, but it's not there. Must be somewhere else. Nonetheless, I can assure you there is one. I wonder where that is. I'm not sure. But anyway, there we are. That's about the size of that. So it'll sleep 4, but also it'll travel with 4 because it's got seat belts here, you see. So that is rather convenient. And that, I think, we are seeking, you shall find. That was going to annoy me for the rest of the day, but no, we do have indeed found the ladder. So that's pleasing. And that, my friends, is about the size of that. Just going to say huge thanks to Erwin Heimer, who have organised this tour. Huge thanks as ever to you for watching it. Let me know what you think of that one, and we'll catch you on one of these real soon. Take care. Bye bye.